Eyelash curlers are a must-have for those perfect lashes, but are they allowed on planes? Let's find out if you can take these little beauty tools with you in the air. The short answer is yes. Eyelash curlers are small and allowed in both carry-on and checked bags on domestic and international flights. But let's dive a little deeper into the details. TSA rules for eyelash curlers. According to the TSA, eyelash curlers are not specifically mentioned as prohibited items, which means you're good to go. I even checked their social media to confirm. Turns out, you can breeze through security with your curler in hand. Will an eyelash curler set off security? Wondering if your metal lash curler will set off the airport metal detectors? If it does, it might be subject to extra screening, but it's unlikely to cause any issues. Eyelash curlers aren't sharp or dangerous, so security officers shouldn't have any reason to confiscate them. Eyelash curlers in carry-on luggage. You can pack your eyelash curlers in your carry-on, no problem. Most are less than 4 inches, so they easily meet the TSA size limit. Just a tip: cover the metal clamps of your curler to prevent any potential injuries and place it in a clear bag for easy inspection. Types of eyelash curlers and packing tips. Whether it's a metal mechanical curler, a precision curler, or even a heated eyelash curler, they're all allowed in your carry-on or checked luggage. However, if you're bringing eyelash glue, oil, or serum, they need to follow the TSA 311 rule, so each container must be 3.4 ounces or less. Eyelash curlers in checked luggage. Eyelash curlers can also go in your checked luggage. There are no size restrictions, but since they're small and easy to pack, it's best to keep them in your carry-on to avoid damage or loss. International flights with eyelash curlers. For international flights, the same TSA rules apply if you're departing from the US. If you're flying from another country, it's a good idea to check with your airline, though I don't see why an eyelash curler would be an issue anywhere. Tips for packing eyelash curlers. Here are a few tips for packing your eyelash curler. Keep it in an accessible place in your personal bag. Use a sturdy case to protect it. Make sure your other makeup items follow the TSA liquid and gel guidelines. So, can you bring your eyelash curler on a plane? Absolutely. Just follow some simple packing tips, and you're ready to fly. Whether it's in your carry-on or checked luggage, your lashes will stay fabulous throughout your trip. Found this video helpful? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips from Travel Closely.